Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ice cream using only custard powder. First, take your custard powder and mix it with a small amount of milk to create a smooth, lump-free paste. Next, gently heat the rest of your milk with some sugar until it just starts to simmer. Be careful not to boil it. Finally, slowly whisk your prepared custard paste into the warm milk mixture, ensuring everything combines well. Now keep cooking this mixture over a low heat, stirring continuously, until it visibly thickens to a creamy consistency. This usually takes a few minutes. Once thickened, remove it from the heat and let it cool down completely to room temperature. Patience is key here. After it's cooled, cover the custard and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or even overnight for best results. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful and enjoying the content, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. On another note, if you're looking to sweeten up your financial future, consider The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once your custard is thoroughly chilled, it's time for the fun part. Pour the cold custard into your ice cream maker's freezer bowl. Churn the mixture according to your specific machine's instructions. This typically takes about 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Finally, transfer this delicious soft serve into an airtight container and freeze it for several more hours to firm up.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.